How to buy cryptocurrency. If you were new to world of crypto, forensic how to buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies can be confusing at first. Thankful it parties small to learn the ropes. You can start investing in cryptocurrency by following these 5 easy steps. Number 1. Choose a broker or crypto exchange. To buy cryptocurrency, first you need to pick a broker of a crypto exchange. While Ether let you buy crypto, there are a few key differences between them to keep in mind. What is a cryptocurrency exchange? A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where buyer and seller meet to trade cryptocurrency. Exchange offer has relatively low fee, but they learn to have more complexity interface with multiple trade type and advices forms a charge, all of which can make them intermediate from new crypto investor. Some of the small well-known cryptocurrency exchange are mm, Coinbase Germany and Binance USA. While these companies stand trading interface, many overwhelm beginners, particularly those without a background trading stoker. They also offer your friendly easy pushes option. Start investing in cryptocurrency today with Tencent. These future partners. Ether uphold crypto.com. The conversion comes at a cost, however, the beginner-friendly options charges substantially more than it would cost by the same crypto. While each platform standing trading interface to save on cost, you might mind to learn ego to utilize the standard trading platform before you make your first crypto pushes or not long after. What is a cryptocurrency brokers? Cryptocurrency broker take the complexity out of pushing crypto, offers easy to interface that interact with exchange for you. Some charge higher fee than exchange, the other claim to be fee, while market money be selling information about with you and other trade buy and buyer and selling are to learn brokerage or funds are not executing your trade at the best possible market price. Robinhood and Sophie are two of the small balance cryptocurrency broker. While they undefendably ability conventions, you have to be careful with brokers because you may face restricted on move your cryptocurrency holding off the platform at the Robinhood and Sophie. From instant, you cannot traffic your crypto holding out of your account. This many not seem like a hugs deal, but advise crypto investor performs to hold their coins in crypto walleted from extra Scotism. Even choose hardware crypto wallet that are not connected to the internet for even more security. Create and verify your account. Once you decide on a cryptocurrency broker or exchange, you sign up, open an account depending on the platform and the account you play to buy many. How to verify your identity? This is an additional step to provide fund meet federal regularly requirements. You many may be able to buy or sell cryptocurrency until you complete the verification process. The platform many ask you to submit a copy of your device license or passport. You may even be asked to upload a selfie to provide your upload method the document you are submit. Deposit. Number 3. Deposit cash to invest. To buy crypto, you will need to make your sure fund in your account. You might deposit money into the your crypto account by linking your bank account, authorizing a wire transfer, or even making a payment with a debit and credit card depending on the exchange or broker and your fund method. You many have to wait a few days before you can use the money you deposit to buy cryptocurrency. Here one big buyer behave while some exchange or broker allow you to deposit money for a credit card. Doing so is extremely risky and expressions credit card companies process cryptocurrencies pushing with credit card as cash devices. This many they subject to higher interest rate than regular pushes, and you will also have to pay additional cash advice fee. For example, you may have to pay 5% for the transaction amount when you make a cash advices. This is on top of any fee that you crypto exchange or brokerage many charge. These can run up to 5% themselves. Many you might lose 10% of your crypto push to fee. Number 4, place your cryptocurrency order. Once there is many money your account, you ready to place your first cryptocurrency order. There are hundreds of cryptocurrency to choose from, ranging for will now name like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more absolute crypto like Them, Fuel, or Holes. When you dedicate on with the cryptocurrency to pushing, you can authorize it trick symbol Bitcoin, for instance in BTC, and how many coin you like to push. With most exchange and broken, you can push foundational share of cryptocurrency, allowing you to buy a silver of higher priced token like Bitcoin or Ethereum that otherwise than thousand to own. The symbol of the 10 biggest cryptocurrency based on market capitalization are as follow. Number 1, Bitcoin BTC. Number 2, Ethereum ETH. Tether USDT. Binance Coin BNB. Credit ADA. Digicoin DOGE. XRP USD Coin USDC. Blockit dot Unhoppish UNI. Based on the market capitalizing as of the June 28, 2021. Number 5, select a storage method. Cryptocurrency exchange are not back your project like the foundational deposit insurance, copper FDIC. Then they address of key for hacking. You could even lose your investment if you forget or lose the code to access your account. As million of dollar of Bitcoin already has been that way, it is important to have a secure storage for your cryptocurrency.